Aware of any payments being made to Slater and Gordon from that account? No, it wasn't. Is it your belief today that any monies have been paid to Slater and Gordon from out of that account for any purpose at all? Not that I know of. I'm not aware of any monies being paid to Slater and Gordon from that account. Now, so clearly by this stage, 11 September 1995, the Workplace Reform Association was on the table as a matter for discussion.
Yes, I agree with that.
And there was a concern as to whether payments had been made to Slater and Gordon from an account associated with the Workplace Reform Association.
Clearly, Mr Shaw and Mr Gordon thought it was a relevant topic for the asking of questions, yes.
And presumably that payment of money was the 67-odd thousand that I took you to a bit earlier on in the examination, the cheque drawn on the account that found its way into Slater and Gordon's trust account.
With respect, I don't think Ms Gillard can answer that, Commissioner.
Well, it's a matter for Ms Gillard to indicate whether she can or she can't.
Are you able to answer it?
No, I'm not. The sequence of events here is instructions are given to Bernard Murphy. Mr Murphy, Justice Murphy, yesterday gave as much evidence as he could without intruding on privileged matters about then declining to further act for Mr Wilson or the AWU and the partnership then making some inquiries about all of this. I'm really not in a position to take it any further than that.
Well, when Mr Wilson first approached you about this matter, was he talking to you in the context of his relationship with you, or was he seeking out your legal advice?
When Mr Wilson came to discuss with me the members' welfare account, he came to Slater and Gordon. He was raising it with me in my capacity as a solicitor. I felt uncomfortable about acting on the matter. I referred it to Mr Murphy.
Yes, and that's the members' welfare account. What I want to ask you about is the Workplace Reform Association, which is what is being dealt with on 145. And clearly, you had, by 11 September, you had 95, you had found out more about the Workplace Reform Association?
Well, I hadn't, in the sense that when Mr Wilson came in to give me instructions about the members' welfare account, the only account of concern under discussion at that time was the members' welfare account. I referred the matter to Mr Murphy. Mr Murphy took more comprehensive instructions. Subsequent to that, obviously the partnership then took a series of steps, and one of those steps was the discussion with me, and the record of it is before you.
Well, did you give consideration to alerting the AWU to the fact that monies have been travelling in or out of the Workplace Reform Association's account?
Well, for my state of knowledge and for what I was doing, I was not the partner, well, either of the partners, any of the partners. I was not amongst the partners who were making inquiries about this matter.
Did you raise it with Mr Wilson just in your personal capacity to say what on earth is going on?
Subsequent to these events, I had a discussion with Mr Wilson where he was evasive, and I formed the view that I had not been fully in the picture about the nature of his conduct, and I took steps to end our relationship.
Well, that had already occurred, that conversation, I take it, by the time of the interview?
Yes, that's right. And I think it's referred to in the interview at the end.